This is the reality of what is going on in our financial markets. Fed pauses interest rate hikes in September, but could raise interest rates again this year. So they paused in September. That is massive because they just couldn't go any higher, even though they may have wanted to, right? So the market isn't pumping because the Federal Reserve had a hawkish tone saying that they could raise them later in the year. And the market believes them, but the smart money believes JP Morgan expects no further Fed interest rate hikes this cycle, right? Because we can't go any higher. The market can't take it. In red, we see interest rates, real yields, the highest they ever have been, higher than the ones that crashed the entire housing market during the great financial crisis of 2008. And so we're at maximum pain levels for the market at a time when the government is issuing massive amounts of debt. Right now, they're issuing $18 billion per day. During the pandemic, they issued $35 billion per day. During the great financial crisis, they issued $14 billion per day. So they need low interest rates to issue all this debt at a reasonable rate that won't bankrupt the U.S. government, right? And so easy money is on its way back. That's just the reality. What does best during currency debasement? Revolutionary technology. So let's understand what is actually going on in the Web3 space. PYUSD available to all Venmo users in the coming weeks. That is PayPal's stablecoin. They're making it available to Venmo. Why are traditional massive companies investing in Web3 technology and using it? Because it's revolutionary and it's necessary and it's important, right? So this is a private blockchain, but very positive for all the public blockchains that have stablecoins issued, right? They're obviously extremely important. Toncoin surges into top 10 cryptocurrencies, briefly topping Dogecoin. Again, we're in the early stages. Toncoin is Telegram's official crypto asset, right? So big companies like Telegram just starting to issue their own assets for people to buy. And then the House committee passes a bill to ban Fed from creating a CBDC. It actually passed the House Financial Service Committee, which is massive. So now this bill is going to the House floor. If a CBDC is banned, then all these assets we talk about are going to have the future financial system built on top of them. The Solanas, the Ethereums of the world, right? That would be absolutely massive. There would be zero competition from a CBDC. And so very positive. Going to have to stay on top of how that vote plays out.